Hey guys, it's Paul. I want to give you a quick video on heat maps, tracking your sales pages, and this cool feature in Zoho Pagesense. I want to start doing these quick little lessons that'll get you sort of understanding the features that you can get out of Zoho One. So anyway, pagesense.zoho.com. Check into your account. I'm not sure if you've used it or not, but you get this on this side here is Analyze Heat Map, and it's a really cool way of looking at what people are clicking on your website when they come to it. So this is my homepage. So I set up pnuk.com sort of as a bit of a testing ground for me to be able to do Zoho One lessons, Zoho One projects, and give some actual sort of data of what people are clicking on or what they're doing. And you're going to see, obviously when you come, the predominant thing is a search. Now, I think I can probably filter. Maybe I can filter this. Let me see if I can filter it to. Is there a back button? Oh no, it's like so July was possibly the earliest. Let me change this to. Let's have a look. If custom range there. Now, yeah, it's not changed. Before, what happened was I had a lot of people clicking on these links, but they weren't links. They were search. If you searched, this would populate. But people were clicking on these all the time. And fair play, it says YouTube channels, free training. So I changed what was happening, right? But what you can see, if I do entire, so what we can see is if we're looking at a web page, really looking at a sales page, we want someone to click on something. Ultimately, I want people to click on Zoho One or search Zoho One or really get into Zoho One. So for one reason or another, the target audience isn't working for this advert. The people that visit this page are not interested in business because it's more of a YouTube where I only put this, I think, yesterday. So no one's clicking on that. So I need to tinker with my sales page. I need to understand, right, people are coming in and they're searching. That's their primary thing they're doing. Then they're clicking on the members section. Then they're clicking on the Zoho Run Your Business section, which is cool, which means this ad works better than this ad. But in theory, they take you to the exact same page. And then down the bottom again, people are filtering to podcast, golf, and football on the YouTube rankings. So that's what they're diving into more than these others. So I may want to tinker with these to find ones that are actually getting clicks or just get them out of the way. Same again on a more obvious sales page. So this is my membership for PNUK. And this has not had that many people visit, 19 visitors, right? But obviously they all click the cookie bar to say they accept cookies. So this is a bit more obvious. I want people, when they come here, to click. It's funny how, well, someone's clicked member, aren't they? They probably think that lists the member. Then people click the price, which is interesting, isn't it? I can't actually change this. So it with a website that's already pre-built, I can't change this. But it's interesting that people click the money, and then a few people click join. And a few, interestingly, because it says pnuk.com there, people are clicking that, thinking it'll take you to pnuk.com, which in most part, they've just come from that. So, yeah, you can see here the $5, the $6. So it's a really cool tool to be able to see what people are doing on your website. And it's really easy to set up. So, for instance, what I really with this website is hope someone maybe types in Zoho One, then these two, here's the course and here's the link. And I want to make this my heat map, my next heat map. So really, this is the button, sign up, maybe the training, but I want them to be active. And what you'll notice on the sales page is I've removed the header. So what I'm going to do is grab that URL. So I'm just going to show you quickly how to set one up. Oh, no, put in here Zoho One, sign up, put the link in. Now, I'm presuming obviously I'm not an expert in every single aspect of Zoho, that nobody could be. Once it hits a certain amount, it'll tell you that you'll get an email. I'm presuming this happens. You get an email saying, right, 2,000 visitors, go look at your heat map and maybe do some changes and set another one up. I think that's what that means. Activate it. It's going to go pull your page, and now it's set up. And obviously I want to see people tigging or tracking in here, seeing what they do. I don't know if what should I do to test this? What shall I do? I think what I've got is my IP filtered out. So I can't easily just go, I think, to something like pnuk.com, Zoho One, and hit it. I don't think it'll track me. It may track me. And then obviously I want people to click sign up. That's the sale. That's your sales cycle. Or join the Zoho One experience, which anybody who's into Zoho, come and join the Zoho One experience. And then contacts, I need to fix this little overlap. I need to fix this. That's wrong. Running websites is forever a fight against CSS and things failing, isn't it? Right, if I refresh this, will that click be showing? No. But as I say, for the reason that I have filtered out my IP address so that it doesn't show. Now I'm just going to quickly go to it on my phone and see if we can just get a click, right? Zoho. But I think you'll see the benefit, right? So what I don't want on that sales page is to see a person clicking in the header, going back to the home page. So I've removed the header. I've removed anything. There's probably other things that I can remove. I don't want them to go to here. With this page, I don't mind its information, but really the prominent thing should be maybe up here. Sign up for Zoho. It's free 30-day trial, whatever it might be. Right, I've just clicked on it on my phone. It's gone to the form. Now, if I refresh, I'm not sure how quickly it will track. I think you'd have to come back. It's not going to be 100% live. It's actually quite good at showing you that your website's not really well set up or responsive. So I need to fix. There's so much I need to fix, but it sort of starts telling me where people are going, what's the customer's journey, and things like that. But you can see it's really easy to set up. All you need to do is make sure you've got the Pagesense code on your website, and then you can add any page you want so it can track. But yeah, you see that value. The snippet, you've just got to add the snippet to your page. Header, does it say the header? I think I've actually got it in the footer and it works. Copy and paste in the head tag of your website. Yeah. So what you need to do is just copy this. If you want to put my page tracker in copy yours, put it in your header. I don't know how quickly we will get information on that one that's going to show up. But obviously, if I come back in a week's time or 10 days' time, I can say, look, they're all clicking here, or they're all clicking LinkedIn because it's not lined up. It was just a cool thing that I noticed when I started using it, that people were clicking. See the little free training courses there? And it wasn't a link, so I edited it. So it's a good way to filter your website, to then start tracking again, to look at different formats. How are people using my homepage in different formats? And then tunnel into what they're clicking on and where they're going. Hopefully that was a quick introduction. I know it was a bit scatty, but I think it's pretty self-explanatory. Put the certain page you want tracking, then see where people are clicking. Keep an eye out for new videos. I'm going to do a video next on session recording, which is another really cool thing that actually shows you what they're clicking on and their journey and what they're doing. Come and visit Zoho One, PNUK. The Zoho One experience is z1exp.com. If you go to pnuk.com, we have a full forum dedicated to just Zoho One and everything to do with Zoho One, the 40 plus apps. It's just insane. Come and visit us. Let me know what you need. I can do better videos than this one. But, we just want to get people moving, don't we? Just watching. Paul, PNUK, the punk, out.